Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to SSH into an AWS EC2 machine on Windows. Whether you are spinning up a web server or a powerful GPU instance for deep learning, the process is exactly the same. From the console home, search for EC2. On the dashboard, look for the big orange button that says Launch Instance. For the operating system, we will select Ubuntu. The Amazon machine image we can leave as the default option. Also, for the instance type, the default option is fine. Now we come to the important part. Previously, when people used to log in via SSH, they would use their password. However, now this is discouraged because passwords can be easily guessed. So instead, we use key pairs, which are AWS's version of a public-private key. Let's go ahead and create a new pair. Default options are fine. So what's going to happen when we create a key pair is that a file will be downloaded, which we'll get to later. For the network settings, the default options are fine. Note that if you deselect this option, you will no longer be able to SSH. So let's select that. For the storage options, the default options are fine. Let's go ahead and launch an instance. Let's first try to directly SSH into our machine. The username is Ubuntu. We are going to copy over the IP address from the EC2 console. We get a permission denied error. AWS does not allow us to SSH with only a password. To fix this, we need to use keys. Our key is located in the Downloads folder. So normally it would be okay to just SSH and use the key from the Downloads folder. However, it is strongly encouraged that we move the key to a designated location known as the .ssh folder. So we're going to use the move command. Verify that it worked. Let's print the contents of the SSH directory. See here that the key has been added. Now let's construct the updated SSH command. We type SSH, then add the I flag. This stands for identity. We're telling the server, here's my specific ID card, which is our key file. Next, we need to tell AWS who is knocking on the door. Since this is an Ubuntu server, we type Ubuntu at and then copy in a public IP address from earlier. Hit enter, you'll see a warning about the fingerprint. This is just your computer saying, hey, I've never met you before. Do you trust it? Since we created it, we know it's safe. Type yes and press enter. You are now connected. From here, you can start installing your libraries or training your models.